Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Tiana Michelle. So today I'm going to be giving you a clean with me. We're going to be cleaning the front bathroom, and at the end I'm going to be giving you a small bathroom tour. So stay tuned.
Stay here, closer than close. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world.
First, I'm going to begin by removing everything from the vanity area and wiping it down. Typically, this front bathroom does not get super dirty because it is the guest bathroom. So I try to keep it as clean as possible by wiping it down every other day.
Wanna get lost in your paradise. You make me believe it's real. It's high up above from the ground, but closer to heaven.
Next, I'm moving on to the tub, and right now I'm just going to season the tub. And what I mean by that is I'm just going to put in all the cleaning products and let it sit for a little while. Then I'm going to move on to cleaning the toilet, and then go back to cleaning the tub. And I know someone's going to say something about me cleaning the toilet without using gloves. Typically, I do use gloves. I just forgot in this instant.
Paradise, you make me believe it's real. It's high up above from the ground, but closer to heaven. Here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're.
Now I'm just going to put everything back in the manner in which it was. If you saw my Decorate With Me video, then you already saw the way that this bathroom looked. But I'm just giving you an insight of how I placed everything. And then towards the end, I'm going to give you a detailed tour of where I purchased everything, because someone asked for it in the previous video. someone asked for a detailed tour of the bathroom. So starting here in this corner, I got this shelf from Burlington Coat Factory. It was $12.99. And then these jars I got from Target and the dollar spot, or whatever they call it now. There were 2 in the pack for $5. These, the soap and the cup holder both came from Raw. Let's check. Okay, they came from Burlington Coat Factory. Both were $4.99. I got this mirror also from Burlington Coat Factory. I believe this was $12.99, $14.99. See, it's good to keep the prices on the items so you'll know. And then I got these both from Ross. They were on clearance. So this one was $4.99. And this one, the taller one, was $6.49. Then we come over here. This came from Ross. I don't know how much it was because I got it a while ago. I used this in my old half bathroom, and I just put it in this bathroom. So this came from Ross. Sorry, I don't know the price. This also came from Ross. I do have a shorter one, but I just put this one in the bathroom. As you can see, it's cracked, but I just put some Gorilla Glue on it, and now it's like new. The shower curtain I got from Burlington Coat Factory. It didn't come with these. I also got these from Burlington Coat Factory. The original rings were silver, and I got the gold ones to replace. I got the gold ones to replace the silver ones. I don't know how much they were. I want to say they were either $5.99 or $6.99. And then the shower curtain, I believe, also was $12.99. These towels are from Ross, I believe. These came in a 2-pack, and they are from I believe it's Karl Lagerfeld. I don't know the price, unfortunately. I'm sorry, but they both came from Ross. And then of course the peel and stick wallpaper came from Amazon. I used 1.5 rolls. And then the final thing are these baskets I got from Amazon also. And I believe these were $11.99. So that's pretty much it for the bathroom. Oh, the rug. The rug is from BB. It was $12.99. I couldn't find 2. I do need another one to go here, but I only can find 1 at the time, so I'm gonna have to find another one. And that's pretty much it for the bathroom tour. I will be decorating this soon for Christmas, so stay tuned for that. But this is what the bathroom looks like. And that is going to be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you got a little bit of inspiration for your next bathroom decor or for your bathroom decor. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share it if you liked it. And I will see you guys on the next video.